Next up, we have our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. And so this one here is another icon set. I know we've talked about a few icon set over the few years we've been sort of doing these VS Code hints, tips, and tricks, but this one actually looks like a pretty nice set. It's probably going to be not quite as popular as the main VS Code icon set, but this one has 1.3 million installs already, and it's got a lot of icons, 200 plus icons in it. I like some of the folder setup. Sometimes the folders are kind of hard to tell if you're in it or if it's expanded or not, or if it's closed. And so here you can see in some of the icons for those watching, the folders are a lot easier to understand, and there's a lot of cool ones in here. So, most of the ones we're using, I can see in here. We have a CFC. So yeah, CFML or CFM. So it's got some of our ColdFusion ones in there too. So that's pretty neat. So that's just a nice little icon set, and anything to make your IDE a little clearer, a little more readable is a big plus for me, I think. So the VS Code, great icons. And again, it's one of the top 2 icon packs, I think, alongside of the VS Code icons. So that is our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.